Let us now switch over to next multiple choice question. Let me read it first. Ethanoic acid react with sulfuric acid. Acetic acid, ethanoic acid, CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid react with sulfuric acid is an acid-base reaction, here it is told. And what are the products among the four options? Which one is correct answer? What are the products when acetic acid is reacted with sulfuric acid? Acetic acid, let me write the structure of acetic acid. IUPAC name, ethanoic acid, is an example of weak acid. Means whatever is dissolved out of that, less get ionized. When dissolved in water, it gives free H plus ions, but out of whatever is dissolved, less the heterolytic breaking of this OH bond takes place to a less extent, therefore it is weak. And if large amount of water were present, then H2SO4 is a strong acid. Means whatever is dissolved, almost all get converted into ions. Ethanoic acid reacts with sulfuric acid. Here it is said. Means this ethanoic acid, common name acetic acid, react with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, gives. And if we follow all the four options, alternatives, in the question they should have, this was a question in one of the exams I have selected deliberately. If we follow all the options, A, B, C, D, we have to choose one of the four, the one which should be correct. They should have mentioned sulfuric acid as, let me write it here, as concentrated, because in concentrated H2SO4, or if it is concentrated H2SO4, then only H2SO4 acts as if it is monobasic acid, as if one molecule, if it gives free H plus ion 1, HCl is monobasic acid, nitric acid HNO3 is monobasic acid, H2SO4 is dibasic acid. But if it is highly concentrated, one H plus ion is easily available, giving rise to H plus HSO4 minus. If it were dilute, this will also further get ionized to give H plus and sulfate ions, H plus and SO4 minus 2. Now, since this is a reaction between these two, and from the options it is clear that the concentrated H2SO4 used is concentrated, means this H2SO4 will give one H plus ion plus remaining ion HSO4 minus, and this is the weak acid. To very less extent it gets dissociated, and if these two react, which among these four should be the answer? Now, on oxygen, two lone pairs are always present. We normally don't show it, but if the lone pair of electrons on oxygen, if it has a role in chemistry, then we should show it. Two lone pairs on oxygen. Free H plus ion from acid will protonate the oxygen in acetic acid, ethanoic acid. Now, we will consider one by one. Because of presence of concentrated H2SO4, means H plus ions and hydrogen sulfate HSO4 minus, removal of this hydrogen in the form of H plus or removal of hydrogen in the form of hydride is just not possible. Even acetic acid, the lone pair goes to oxygen. even this possibility is not how it is possible, because H plus ion from H2SO4, if it accepts a lone pair and forms a covalent bond, what about this oxygen? It is not shown here. So this possibility is just not possible. Or even this possibility is just not possible, because that to happen, for that reaction to take place, hydrogen from CH3 of acetic acid should get removed in the form of hydride ion. Hydrogen of this CH3 group getting removed in the form of H minus ion, if this hydrogen, one of the three, if this hydrogen atom goes out in the form of hydride ion, then and then only positive charge on this carbon is possible. Means heterolytic breaking should take place in such a way that this electron pair should remain with hydrogen. For that to happen, hydrogen should be more electronegative, or because of various groups, the CH bond should be highly polar. This is not that polar. This is not that polar. And therefore, hydrogen in presence of H2SO4 concentrated going out in the form of hydride ion, H minus ion, is just not possible. So we have eliminated two options. Here oxygen is missing, very simple logic. And here hydrogen going out in the form of hydride because of H plus ion is not possible, because for such breaking to take place, the polarity of the bond, here it is CH bond, it should be highly polar. It is not that polar. So this hydrogen is not acidic hydrogen atom. Now remains two options, acetic acid plus H2SO4 I have written here, the reaction under consideration. Since it is concentrated, only one H plus ion is easily available. Either it will, the H plus ion, proton, it will form a coordinate covalent bond with this oxygen out of the two lone pairs, one lone pair take place, or this. H plus ion from H2SO4 forms a coordinate covalent bond with lone pair of oxygen of the carbonyl group. Means one lone pair gets involved here. Let me show it in the form of arrow, and one lone pair is there. So the earlier carbon-oxygen double bond, since one lone pair becomes a shared pair, therefore positive charge is developed here. This is the correct answer. Then why not this lone pair? If this lone pair take part, means lone pair, there are two lone pairs, out of two any one. If this lone pair take part and form a coordinate covalent bond with H plus ion, then what we get is this species. But this one is the correct answer. During many reactions, esterification reaction, hydrolysis reaction, we have shown that this oxygen, the protonation of this oxygen is easy than this. That if it is known to us based on resonance, earlier part, then and then only it will be possible for that student to answer. He will easily select A option, because if you follow the resonance, let me show it here. Lone pair, here it becomes a shared pair, and the moment lone pair becomes a shared pair, out of double bond, one is weak pi bond, pi will get shifted to oxygen, giving rise to what? Giving rise to this, the routine two lone pairs, and this one is the third one, pi. So minus charge is developed here. Earlier bond, the lone pair forms a bond pair. Let me show it by using arrow. So one lone pair becomes a shared pair. So positive charge is developed on oxygen, negative on this oxygen. the pi gets transferred to this oxygen, developing negative charge. The shared pair gets, the lone pair becomes a shared pair, developing positive charge here. So ultimately it is neutral. So undissociated acetic acid or ethanoic acid is present in one more resonating form. It is this. And this resonating form shows that the tendency of electron density on oxygen is more towards this oxygen, oxygen of carbonyl group. Negative charge is developed in the second resonating form, negative charge is developed on this oxygen, which was earlier carbonyl oxygen, and positive charge is developed on this oxygen, which was earlier oxygen of OH group. Therefore, the electron density in this group is more inclined towards this oxygen. Electron density is more here than what it is here. Therefore, the proton which is available from H2SO4 is more likely to be attracted here than here, and therefore protonation of ethanoic acid gives rise to this species and not this, and therefore our answer is this.